2018 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 MPG rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, heated front seats, remote keyless entry, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, power driver's seat, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.